afternoon. Just pass me your I-20 and the passport.
Yes, sir.
So, yes, Damini. So, why USA?
Officer, USA is my topmost priority for continuing my further studies because of their quality and standard uniqueness in their education system, which attracts me the most. As through my internet research, I came to understand that USA is the best nation.
So, which university you are going for?
I'm going for Wichita State University.
Wichita State University. I never heard about it. So, where this university is from?
This university is located in Kansas large city in Wichita.
Okay, great. So, why this university?
I've chosen this university because this university provides excellent reputation in providing an in-depth knowledge about numerous fields. Also, the Bachelor's of Business Administration from Wichita State University combines its AACSB, which means accredited program and unmatched opportunities for applied learning. Along with that, I'm sure that I will be eligible to compete in some of the state's largest business scholarship. Apart from that, the professors over there are also highly skilled and qualified, which is a reason for me to study in Wichita.
So, Damini, have you crammed it or this is your own words?
These are my own words, officer.
Oh, that's good. So, how many universities you applied for?
I've applied for 5 universities.
Okay, and how many acceptances you have?
I have 4 acceptances.
Which all 4?
Like Wichita State University, Purdue University, Uttar Global University, and Washington State University.
What's the annual fee of the course?
The annual fee of my course is $40,200.
Okay, great. So, you're going for which program?
I'm going for Bachelor's of Business Administration and Management.
Okay, so which all subjects you're going to learn in the very first semester?
I'm going to learn fundamental of human resources, designing successful organization, and building remarkable teams, and moreover, it is accounting, finance.
Anyone in your family is there in USA?
No, sir.
Not yet. That's good. And see, this course is easily available in India. Then why USA for this bachelor's program in business?
Living in India, I am aware that India is a developing nation, so the latest and advanced research facilities that I need to complete this course is only available in country like in USA. Also, USA universities provide student weekly assignments, which is also a reason for me to study in US universities.
Okay, great. So, what about your last qualification?
I've just recently completed my senior secondary in humanities stream and I got total 85%.
So, have you done any language proficiency as well?
Yes, sir. I have given IELTS exam where I got 6.5 overall band score.
Okay, great. So, how much is the funds you have?
Officer, my parents have a total amount about 40 lakh.
40 lakhs. And what they do?
My father owns a business of construction and my mother works as an interior designer.
Okay, in the same company?
No, sir.
The different companies?
Yes.
So, how much is the money your father makes in a year?
My father makes about 20 lakh in a year.
20 lakh in a year. So, don't you think that is very on the lesser side to get the visa? 20 lakh in a year and your fee is around $23,000 in a year.
Apart from that, my mother is also
please.
doing her work through which she also contributes in my tuition fees.
So, what's the annual income of your mother?
The annual income of my mother is 25 lakh.
So, in total it comes to around 45 lakh. And how much it comes to in dollars?
In dollars, it is about
38,000 something. So, I found you such a genuine student and this course is really good. I am quite impressed with the university you have chosen. So, I am approving your visa. Congratulations. Thank you so very much. Hello everyone. I hope you are so impressed watching this video of Damini. Damini has really good confidence, really good knowledge about the program and everything. So let us discuss about the positive points about Damini. Damini की जो university थी, that was Wichita State University, which is a good university, good public university I would say. And जो program opt किया था, that was Bachelor's of Business Administration and Management, जो एक अच्छा program है business में bachelor's का. So रेस्ट जो उनसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए और उन क्वेश्चन में उन्होंने कैसे आंसर किया, व्हाट वाज रियली गुड थिंग अबाउट दामिनी, वो आपने देख लिया है. बट स्टिल आई जस्ट वांट टू मेंशन कि आपको कैसे एक्सप्लेन करना है, आपको इन क्वेश्चंस को कैसे आंसर करना है. The moment I asked her why USA, she answered that quality and standard uniqueness of USA education system, which help her to choose USA? मतलब she was really talking about the research she has done for the USA quality education. Then she was having the proper knowledge about the university. She was having complete faith in the university कि जो मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी है ना उससे अच्छी कोई भी यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है। सी आप एक चीज समझे, यूएस में 5000 से ज्यादा यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं। अब वीजा ऑफिसर ने सभी यूनिवर्सिटी के ऊपर कोई खास रिसर्च करी नहीं है, बट आपको उसको मेक श्योर करना है, बिलीव करवाना है कि यस दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज वे वे बेटर देन एनी अदर यूनिवर्सिटी इन द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका। सो देन व्हेन आस्क्ड अबाउट दैट आर यू रियली क्रैमिंग द थिंग्स, जो आपने सब चीजें रटी हैं, एंड शी वाज replying in a very confident manner, no officer, this is my own thoughts, I have not crammed anything, ये मेरी अपने विचार हैं। सो आपको ऐसे जवाब देना, बिकॉज वीजा ऑफिसर कई बार ये क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं आपसे। सो देन शी अप्लाइड इन 4 यूनिवर्सिटी व्हेन इट वाज आस्क्ड कि कितनी जगह पे अप्लाई किया, सो शी वाज रियली कॉन्फिडेंट। और कॉन्फिडेंस किस चीज का था? द कॉन्फिडेंस वाज कि 4 यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई किया, उसके बाद चारों की एक्सेप्टेंस एंड I-20s थी। सी हाउ अनबिलीवेबल दिस इज, एंड दिस ओनली हैपेंस एट IBT ओवरसीज, बिकॉज दामिनी IBT ओवरसीज की स्टूडेंट है, हमने उनको 4 I-20s दिलवाई। इमेजिन करें आप भी यूएस एम्बेसी के लिए इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो, आपके पास 4 बढ़िया यूनिवर्सिटीज की I-20 है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल यहाँ पे होगा। So that was the thing which gives her the confidence to speak in front of me in a very open manner. So she was having the detailed information about the courses and she was going to study. So जब पूछा गया about the program and the things, she was having complete information about the program. And then when it was asked about why not India, this was a very tricky question. वो आपसे 2 तरह क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं। फर्स्ट इज why USA, सेकंड इज why not India. वाई नॉट इंडिया वाला क्वेश्चन उन बच्चों से पूछा जाता है जो कि जनरल प्रोग्राम के लिए जाते हैं, जैसे कि बैचलर्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस, बैचलर्स ऑफ बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट। सो इनसे भी पूछा गया व्हाई नॉट इंडिया, एंड शी मेंशन्ड दैट यूएसए इज ऑफरिंग द वीकली असाइनमेंट व्हिच इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन इंडिया, एंड दिस मेक्स द सेंस बिकॉज उन्होंने एक ही चीज को पकड़ लिया जो इंडिया में सच में नहीं है, दैट इज the practical learning, that is the weekly assignment, that is the laboratories they guys have. Let's suppose you are going for the interview और आपके प्रोग्राम में robotics है, तो आप mention करें there is not any good university in India which is offering the robotics program, but in USA this particular university is having good in-house team for robotics. So इस चीज के ऊपर आप डिटेल में बात करें। And apart from that, talking about Damini, she was having really good profile, around 85% marks in सीनियर सेकेंडरी क्लास, एंड देन शी हैज 6.5 बैंड्स इन IELTS। सो इन सब चीजों का डेफिनेटली इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है जब आपके परसेंटेज अच्छी हैं। When this question was asked about the parents' income, so she said कि my parents is having 45 lakh to sponsor my studies. So she was having clear idea, मतलब आपको वहां पे एस्टिमेट नहीं देना है। अगर आपसे पूछा जाए यूएस कितने टाइम के लिए जा रहा, आप ये मत बोले 10-15 दिन के लिए, नहीं, मैं 12 दिन के लिए जाना चाहता हूँ। सो आपको क्लियर इंफॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए और आपको जो भी थॉट्स उनके सामने रखने हैं वो बिल्कुल एक्यूरेट होने चाहिए, तुक्के नहीं लगाने वहां पे आपने। सो अगर आप भी इस तरीके की प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं जैसी प्रिपरेशन दामिनी ने करी है और अपने यूएस जाने के सपने को साकार करना चाहते हैं, तो आप इस चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करो, बिकॉज ऐसी बहुत सारी वीडियोस हैं जो हम इस चैनल पे रेगुलरली अपडेट करते हैं। और यूएस जाने के सपने को साकार करने के लिए प्लीज आप एक बार IBT ओवरसीज जरूर विजिट करें। आप जलंधर आ सकते हैं, अमृतसर, लुधियाना, चंडीगढ़, पटियाला, संगरूर एंड करनाल भी जा सकते हैं। वीडियो देखने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।